Hi everyone, this is Ching-Hui again. Today I'd like to finish this Seascape alcohol ink painting. And I would suggest always try something and see if that will work, okay? Because learning is all about trying something new. I'm going to use this fan brush and then apply some alcohol ink and then create a wave here. I like to talk about this painting. The first step I have done with alcohol ink, and you can see the pattern. I'm going to create double wave because it just come out spontaneously. I have two big waves in the front, and you can see the detail is beautiful. But if only with alcohol ink, it's kind of a little bit flat. So I'm thinking to add some acrylic for the second layer. And for the sand part, I'm thinking to add some acrylic medium to make it like a little bit sandy beach. Okay, so during the process, I'm going to use some time lapse. And first, I'm going to outline with the acrylic white pen to create the shape, the form of the water and the waves.